Oh boy. So it's gonna take a while, isn't it? My arms hurt for some reason. My voice feels scratchy. And now my nose is runny. I am just a wreck. And I fell off. Great. That is just a bee's knees. Okay, let's do it right this time. Let's do it right. Just jump. Oh boy. Okay. We're good at this. Ladder. Jump. Jump. Not too far. Jump. There's a thing that I keep hitting my head on. I just want this room to be over with. I do not like ice-related things. That's what originally going to say ice, but then I said related, and I don't think ice-related parkour would make much sense. So I changed the whole rest of the sentence, and it came out sounding weird. Then I explained it to you and went into way more detail than was necessary. And then I screwed up another jump. I'm extremely impatient, so I'm not going to have it. Let's try again. Well, I'm going to make that jump. I am. If it kills me. Maybe not. This is just getting ridiculous. Ridiculous. Dairy Queen commercials. Wow, I can't believe I just made that reference. Okay. Let's do this again. Do it right. Oh, made it. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, we made it. Made it again. Oh no. Oh. Creepy noise. Kind of overusing this creative mode thing. But whatever. I don't have the patience to do this right. That is... what am I doing wrong here? Should I just be sprinting over the gap? No, that doesn't work. I don't know. It's ridiculous. I don't get it. How am I supposed to make that? Okay, I at least want to make the last one. Oh, that was dumb. Come on. Screw it. Screw it. Let's just do it. That kind of... Oh no! Oh god. I didn't mean to do that. I just broke that thing. Whatever. I don't know what it was. But... ignorance is bliss. It's nighttime, so I can take a nap. Oh boy. That was just a long series of stupid actions. Nothing in here. Apples in here. I don't need this many golden apples. This many clocks. Keep giving me clocks for some reason. I almost have another stack of golden apples already. What are these numbers? 10R201F5. Oh, Waterfall secrets, okay. Yep, the sky's the limit. Okay. Wait. What away? Whatever. I don't know what I was supposed to do there. I've pretty much just given up on doing this right. Oops. And high brightness, Devil's Maze, good luck. And there's a chest that contains a button. Oh no. I hate mazes. I hate them so much. Oh boy. Okay. Where do we go? Already lost. Oh, well, this is the start. Great. Wow. That's funny. That is... Okay, was that supposed to... Wow. Okay. Thought that part was gonna be a maze. Was that silly? I don't know. Maybe it's... Nope. Alright. Then it must be this way. Great. Mazes, so much fun. You're going the right way. Good. Going the right way. Following the redstone torches. Okay, now it's a maze again. Went the wrong way. Did I go in a circle? I hope not. This is getting ridiculous. I am overusing that word. It's at least twice now since I've made the ridiculous reference. Oh. Oh, I thought that was lava for some reason. Redstone torch looked like lava from far away. Oh no. Back here. I went completely backwards. Okay, this way. Maybe. This way.